Okay, this is Flashforge Creator 2 single head. I'm pretty sure it's the description. Unboxing, and yeah. So while I cut it open, I choose to get this directly from the Chinese factory, or the company that makes them. After I had some good communication via email, it seemed like the customer service I'd get from them would be pretty good after sale. So yeah, so far it's been pretty good actually. They've replied to a couple of other things as well, so this is a bit annoying doing it with one hand. Okay. Yeah, so the box was actually a little bit lighter than I thought it would be, which is good to move it around. And oh yeah, also this is from Australia, if you can't tell by my accent, but okay, so we've got here some pull it apart instructions and then make it instructions. I'm not going to make it in this video, by the way. I'm just going to show what I've got. Yeah, so I got it. I paid for it on a Sunday night, and I got it Monday week later, so like 8 days later. So it's a low, what do you call it? Low demand for shipping stuff at the moment, this time of the year in March, I'm guessing, I think it is. So that could be some reason to do with why I got it so quickly. Like, I think that's pretty quick, a week, pay for it and then virtually get it a week later. It's pretty good. I was expecting maybe 2 weeks. Okay, so we've got 2 boxes of parts here. Sorry, focus. 2 boxes of parts there. Looks like we've got the printer assembled in here, which is nice. I wasn't sure if it was going to be fully assembled or not. Okay, so we've got to choose which voltage I'm going to supply. I think it's already set for Australia, which is good. I'll just put the phone down for a second and I'll pull it out of the box. Okay. I think that's the front. Yep, cool. And I've got 2 more little parts things in here. So I'm guessing the roll of, no, that's, maybe there is parts in there. I don't know. It's an empty box. Padding. I'll check that after. I'll check it in a second. Okay. So they used little boxes and a lot of foam, this foam, to keep it safe in shipping, and I think it seemed like it should be pretty good. I'll put the knife again. I'm trying to move through this sort of quickly, but yeah, I don't want to rush too much either, so cut towards myself, cool. I should just get a rip this with my hand actually. Okay. Having another person right now would be kind of handy. Okay, I'm going to put this down for a second. You can watch me look stupid. Hello Internet, how are you today? Yes, I'm not sure about paying import tax actually, that's something interesting. I've got it in my possession and I haven't had any import tax messages or anything. I don't know. I don't really know how that works. I've never bought anything this expensive from overseas. So yeah, I'm guessing they decided that it wasn't valuable enough or something. I don't know. I really don't know how it works. But anyway, yeah, if you're in Australia, buy one and probably won't get stuck with import tax unless that's coming delayed or something. I don't know. I don't really know how it works. Okay, so that's that open, still with the packaging underneath. Looks quite nice, actually. I wasn't sure if the wood would be. That's probably hard to tell in the video as well. Probably looks like all the videos I've seen. I guess they don't look that nice in the video with the wood, but yeah, in real life it's actually quite nice. And I'm pretty sure I'll definitely leave that finish like that, and I may add acrylic windows and an acrylic hood. That was my original intention, and I think I will still do that looking at it now. Yeah, so it should pull out by the looks of it. Okay. More foam, which is good. Foam is what we want. Guessing that's the. I don't know if that's a NEMA stepper. Oh, it's the extruder. Yep. Which will have a stepper motor as well. Yep. That's a nice tidy unit. And that looks like a 30 or 40mm fan. Pretty decent heatsink there, and a big fat aluminium mounting arm. I'm guessing that's one of the smaller NEMA motors. Oh, it's a Bohong stepping motor, but yeah, probably same specs as a NEMA. But yeah, it's whatever that dimension there is that big, but it wouldn't need to be just to pull the filament through. But yeah, that's nice. And hopefully that'll sit down there okay. Yep. Okay. Okay, little toolkit, nice. A few nuts and bolts and things. Set a flathead screwdriver and some Allen keys. Oh, Phillips head, sorry. Allen keys, wing nuts. There's a fuse, which is cool. Some little spaghetti tube things. Yeah, SD card, excellent. You can't see it that well, but yeah, that's the SD card there. Yeah, cool. I'll move on and I'll put that down there. Yep, so that's all that bit done. Get out of there. Alright, heated bed. Looks like it's not cracked, which is good, because I've heard of these being cracked from Amazon and I was worried about that. But I got it direct from the manufacturer, and well, I don't know if it's direct from the manufacturer, but direct from the company that makes them. That looks really nice, actually. I'm not sure if there's a protective layer on there or not. If that's, yeah, I'm not sure. I'll look into that more after the video. But yeah, that's really good. That comes out. Should be able to pull this bag off. Hang on. Yep. Cardboard. So I'm guessing there's a roll of we got 2 rolls. Probably not. But yeah, roll of filament. Okay, that one's empty. Maybe they're both empty. Pretty sure oh, there's a roll. Yeah, cool. Looks like it's plain white. And that would be 175 PLA. Okay, pull this right up. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, it's interesting that stepper is the same as the extruder. Okay, so there's the stopper, end stop switch. And I've heard of the cables for these wearing out, which is really weird, I don't know. Things that I wouldn't have thought wear out do wear out, and I'm pretty good at electronics, so it won't be an issue to replace them or maintain them. Well, I guess that's like most things, they just, sometimes things happen that you wouldn't expect. I want to get that out. I think I have to actually turn this on to properly get this out, which I'm not really going to do. It won't make that much difference to the video if I do. And let's... Do you want to say hello to the internet? Okay, so yeah, sorry everyone, right now I'm not going to turn this on. But yeah, we've got these other boxes, so this I'm pretty sure it's empty. I'll open it later if it's not. And these ones, stuff in here, so I'll put this down again for a second. Oh yeah, roll holder, I'm guessing, and a guide, filament guide. Okay, what do we got here? One of these cords, whatever that is. I really have no idea what that's for. Oh, yeah, I don't know. I'd be guessing. USB. Power, mains power. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Shiveries. I will power it up. Now what will I do? I'll read the manual and then I'll set it up so that it's ready to be set up, do its I'm gonna have to calibrate the bed, all the normal first run stuff. I'll set it up to that, and in that, I'll do another video for that. But yeah, to summarise on this video, I would definitely say that it's all positive and good, and quite happy with the service, the delivery time, the price. Got this for, I think it was just under 900 US. Does that sound right? Yeah, pretty sure that's right. I think it was like 870 or something US. And that included delivery. And a roll of PLA. What else there is there to say? What else there is to say? Should be good. Yeah, I'll follow up with another video. So yeah, I guess the thing to say is, if you're in Australia and you're looking at buying from Flash Forge, just buy direct from the company, because I had tested the waters with a local 3D printer distributor and no response. Yeah, whatever, you know. The customer service from these guys seems pretty good. Like, I think should be right, and yeah, it's protected by like the consumer would be protected by PayPal to a pretty good degree, and yeah, I mean, like the build volume you get, accuracy, all that sort of stuff is really good value. I'd rate it pretty high. I mean, I did a fair bit of investigation into what printer I'm going to get, and I changed my mind a couple of times, to be honest, and yeah, researched it pretty heavily in the last week or so before I pulled the trigger, and I'm pretty happy with this. So yeah, check out my next video and we'll see it going.